NET-136 OS2. This is week 1, and we just got an introduction to the course. This would be starting on 1/19/17, days 1 and day 2 of the course. Two major areas. We learn about Linux and we learn about theory of operating systems. The theory, we have an outline that the students can follow, actually fill in. And the Linux, we have curriculum on NET-136. So you learn online using the curriculum, and then we have classwork. We have virtual machines that you can access from anywhere. We have the servers we set up in the classroom. And then we have access to 2 preset servers that you can access as users. Spring 2017. We talked a little bit about install. And on the hard drive, it'll set aside some space for virtual memory. Linux calls it a swap file, Windows tends to call it a page file. So we talked a little bit about the process of installing Linux and then the operating system getting loaded into memory and then communicating with the processor along an electronic bus. Linux is open source. Source code is available, and the root is the administrator. And so when we install, you will set passwords for the root and a user, and I mentioned we should make the user part of the administrator. At first, we use the virtual machines to look at the graphical user interface in Linux, and we do a number of things to practice viewing things via that. That would be similar to looking at using Windows to look at Microsoft Windows operating system. This is where you get access to the virtual machine. So you can access that anywhere you have internet access and you have the right Java and certain things installed, but the NET Lab takes you through that. Okay, so major things. We work on Linux. We work on Linux in class. Not so much at the beginning, but way more as we move along. We work on it in class. You learn Linux online access. You have it through access to a machine through the NET Lab, and then you have access to the curriculum through NET-136. Then we work on the theory. We have outline that the student fills in, and then we work on these items in a classroom environment. That's it.